Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about these two products from On Ingredients. I have got these two products from Macaron Beautica Global Service, which took 4 months to deliver, but I have got them in the month of I think December, and since then I was testing them out, but I couldn't get a time to talk about these. But today I'm here with my experience on both of the products. One, I have got the Jeju Cica Cleansing Ball and the Skin Barrier Calming Lotion. So if you're interested, then continue watching the video. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I know 87% of you who are watching have not subscribed. Also press the notification bell so you never miss any of our amazing content. With that, let's start. So first of all, let's talk about this very unique product. This one is their Jeju Cica Cleansing Ball, which is a pH balancing and calming cleanser that removes impurity with soft foam while maintaining the skin moisture barrier with concentrated essence. Ingredients got a bunch of the mild surfactants, we got some of the plant extracts, and lastly we got the perfume. Now texture of this one, see, it's a cleansing ball, so it is like a ball which is a very bouncy jelly kind of a ball. You have to just rub it on your hand and it will create a rich foam. You can keep it inside the net as well, and then you can just make a foam that it will create better lather. And then when you massage that foam on your face and you massage it for about say 60 seconds, it give you a very nice squeaky clean feel. I have loved it. But the only downside of this one was that the net जिसके अंदर ये डली हुई है, I couldn't use it after because with the net it was little would say I was very skeptical कि वहाँ पे bacterial growth हो गया होगा. How would I use it on my face? But then I realized कि यार it is just like a soap, so you could have just put it in a soap case and use it. Usually you use your soaps, so that way this would have worked well, but I couldn't use it and this was hanging on my tap. Recently when I thought to try it out, I realized that ball was shrunk. ये साइज में छोटी हो गई थी. मे बी जो इसके अंदर का बाउंस था वो ख़त्म हो गया है. इट गॉट इवेपोरेटेड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ये बहुत छोटी सी बॉल हो गई. बट स्टिल जब मैंने इसको नेट पे डाल के इसको मैंने रब किया तो इसने अच्छे से फोम बनाया. सो आई डिडंट वॉश माई फेस विद दिस वन. आई प्रेफर दिस वन फॉर माई बॉडी एंड दिस हैज़ वर्कड वेल. So in my personal experience, see, it's a beautiful cleansing ball. थोड़ा सा innovative भी है, अच्छे से clean करता है, but if you can store it properly, then I think you can use it. It is a beautiful cleansing ball, but the only downside of this one is that there is no proper storage case with this one. Like you have to keep it in the net and then you have to hang it in your washroom. So what happened here is that net can catch the infection and the bacteria and everything. And next time when you'll just apply that net on your face, then you can get irritation and acne on your face. So if you use it directly, if you use the ball directly, and then this will work really well. But once a time use, it's fine. But if you ask me like whether I would love to repurchase it, I think no. I would prefer my face wash instead of this cleansing ball. But yes, this was a fun using this product. But if you really wanted to go for this one, you can, but don't use it with the net because that can be little unhygienic. Let's talk about this Skin Barrier Calming Lotion. Is designed to strengthen the skin barrier, provide hydration and soothe irritation. This got Centella Asiatica, which is famous for its soothing property. It also got Copper Peptide 1, known for anti-aging and skin repair. It also contains a lot of peptides which are great for firming the skin. Apart from that, this got carrot root and borage extract, which provide antioxidant and nourishment. Texture, you can see it's a lightweight lotion texture which absorbs quickly without any greasy residue. It layers beautifully under skincare products and doesn't feel sticky at all, but only if you use the right amount. Now if you are a very oily skin, you need a tiniest amount of this one. I would say just 1 drop of this lotion is more than sufficient for your face. But if you are a dry skin, you can just take 3 to 4 drops of this one, and then this will be more than sufficient. Now I have used it in the winters, and even now I'm using it in the summers. Winters mein this one was perfect for my skin, but now when the summer have started, I feel this one is little heavy for my face, because now whenever I use it I feel sweaty. I think this will be perfect for dry skin more in summers, but if you're using it in the winters, this one will be perfect for you. So who can use it? If you're a person who have a very sensitive skin, or if you have a weak barrier ka problem, or if you have a skin irritation, this one will be perfect for them, because this got the arginine, the peptides, like this got like 4 or 5 peptides, copper peptide is there, well aging ingredients are there, barrier repairing ingredients are there. It's a beautiful moisturizer. And on the top, just look at this quantity. This is 220 ml of the quantity, which will last you for super long. Now you see, it's been I think more than 2 months. I think on and off जब मैंने इसको use किया है, it's been 2 months since I was using this one out, and still ये अभी इतना use हो पाया है. So the quantity is huge. So if you're looking for something like investment, you can go for this one. But if you're oily skin, you can use this one during the winters. But if you're a dry skin, you can just go for this one aankhein band karke. It is a beautiful calming lotion. I absolutely love it. You can layer this one with your any of your active ingredients, whether you're using a retinol, whether you're using a PDRN, you're using the azelaic acid or the peels or everything. Like this will go with all of your active ingredients. Beautiful, soothing, calming lotion. I absolutely love it. So like I said, I have got it from the Macron का global service. I don't know अभी ये available है या नहीं है, but जिस भी site पे available होगा, I would try to provide you the link in the description, so do check that out as well. It is a beautiful lotion. Yes, for the lotion cleansing ball, you can see if you really into that, if you really want to have that experience of the cleansing ball wala fun wala thing, then you can go for that. But otherwise this lotion is a really amazing. It's in a kind of an investment. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.